This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning the headset. Position the binocular so the eyelets face you and the Vortex strap lays flat. Thread the loose nylon loop through the lower eyelet from the outside in. This gives a secure anchor. Once done, pull 1/2 of webbing through so you have room to work, and make sure the strap label faces outward for correct orientation. This initial pass sets tension and prevents twists, so do it slowly and check alignment before moving to the locking hardware. Next, guide the webbing through the safety slider. Feed it from the underside so the sewn end will lock properly. You then loop the strap back through the buckle, creating a cinch that traps the webbing. Pull steadily to remove slack and set the desired length. Because friction holds this joint, make sure the webbing lies flat and there are no folds. Once comfortable with the length, tug sharply to seat the stitch and inspect that the slider locks without slipping. This ensures long-term security. Finish by trimming any excess webbing, leaving about 1/2 so you can fuse the tip briefly with a lighter to stop fraying. Once sealed, test the assembly by holding the binoculars and giving a firm downward pull. You should feel no slip. If you do detect movement, rethread the buckle with the webbing flipped or increase the loop length through the slider and retest. This corrects common torque or friction issues. Finally, confirm the strap sits centered and comfortable for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.